guys! Welcome!
You have stumbled upon IOD, the most beloved DIY brand in all of the creative galaxy.
Creative Galaxy. And now you are a part of it.
Welcome to your new addiction.
Here is how to get started. Okay, you guys, everything you need to get started is on this page. The first thing you're going to want to do is sign up for our newsletter for weekly inspiration right in your inbox.
Oh yeah, and then you want to connect with community. Go to Facebook, the link below, and connect with the IOD Creative Tribe.
And that's not all you want to connect with. You want to find your local or online stockist as well. The store locator is here too.
Finally, if you just want to get started using the new products, then check out the basic videos below.
You guys have everything you need to get started.
Now, go make something beautiful.